Welcome to Cliffy's Kitchen, guys. As usual, pleasure having you, talking to you, working with you. As usual, this is the place where your meals are prepared with love as the main ingredient. And so I'm going to be doing turkey meatballs today. Before I take you through the ropes of doing that, I want to give you at least 5 seconds to just like and subscribe. Please take 5 seconds and I give you that time to do so. Okay, let's move on to showing you the preparation for our turkey meatballs, and we hope you will like this journey. So I am using ground turkey today. It is by choice, of course. I could have used beef, but I think this is a healthier choice, and so I choose to use ground turkey. To season up, I'll be using, this is 2 pounds, so I'll be using 1 teaspoon of salt. Why just this amount? Because I'm also going to be using some soy sauce, which is also salty, so it will bring the salt content up to the right amount. I'll be using some black pepper, some garlic seasoning, garlic powder, and of course Cliffy's special sauce over there in that bottle. These will take care of seasoning up my ground turkey for today. So into the bowl with this. Looks real fresh and nice, of course. And you try to just open it a little so that the seasoning can get in. Adding my salt, and of course black pepper. This is proportional. Let me use this side. Okay, my black pepper, just proportional. You don't want to use too much. That looks good to me. Some soy sauce. This will also give a little coloring, not a lot, but it adds flavor too. And I'm going to be using 1 tablespoonful, or at least 2 tablespoons of Cliffy's special sauce. And we're going to stir this in now. Smells so good. Of course, our garlic powder. Everyone likes to have a nice juicy meatball, one that is together, not falling apart. How do you get it to stay together? Well, to do so you have to use some breadcrumbs. This is what we have here, 1/2 cup of plain breadcrumbs, and I also have 1 whole egg, of course whisked together, and these are the things that will help to keep your meatball juicy and for it to really stay together, properly binded. So let us see how we add them together now. Okay, so I'll first pour in the egg. I'll get in my breadcrumbs, and at this point it's time to get in with the hands to rub this in together properly. So here we go. Now to start making my meatballs. I'll just get a reasonable piece and form them into a ball. Of course, that's not difficult. This is my style of doing it. Notice how nice it looks. Good. You don't want to do them too big, neither too small, just reasonable size. They have a way of shrinking, as a matter of fact, so yeah, this size is really good. I'm preheating the oven to 400 degrees. So friends, the method we're using today to do our meatballs is oven style. So I'm now going to stack my meatballs in the Pyrex dish. If you're liking the video so far, please remember to like, share and subscribe. My oven has been preheated at 400 degrees and of course it's time to put them in now. So I'm getting that done. Okay, these been in here for the last half an hour. Notice how pretty they look. I could have taken them out from 25 minutes, but just to get that extra nice looking color, I let them stay for half an hour. And now it's time to get some sauce on. Well, remember that our meatballs have already been seasoned, but of course I'm still going to add some extra chopped onions to the sauce, as you see I'm doing here. Of course, we also have some bell peppers, which will come along a little later. We're going to add some Italian herb. It's a mixture of herbs and spices. Of course, you can add whatever brand of Italian herbs is available. This is a brand I have on hand and it is very good to go with this. And I'm going to blend all of these in together. Now for adding my sauce to the meatballs. Man. Alright, and we will spread it so that it gets to all of them, if possible, evenly. We are now adding our bell peppers, and of course we will return it to the oven at 300 degrees, and that will stay in the oven for another 3 minutes, and then everything should be good to go. Alright, time is up, so we are taking them out now for good. Okay, so want to know what I'm serving up to my family, so I'm going to sample one of them. Notice I told you earlier on that when you cut, then it shouldn't be falling apart. Notice the consistency, it looks really good. Looks really good. Not falling apart. And it looks juicy, it's not dried out. Okay. Man, this really tastes good. Really tastes good. We are in for a good treat with these meatballs this evening. Thank you guys for watching this turkey meatball video. We hope you really did enjoy it. And of course, I trust too that when you make yours, it will be just as nice as mine. Please remember to drop a comment in the comment section below. And always remember to like, share, and subscribe. You'll be the first to see my next video, which I can't wait to hear from you as to what to prepare. Remember to make your requests. We are always ready to fulfill them.